Hello, dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, today we will learn the concept of zero. Observe the given picture. The green bird has 2 eggs in its nest. The blue bird has 3 eggs in its nest. But look, hen has no eggs in its nest. It is sad. Then where have its egg gone? Oh, the snake has taken its egg. Now the hen has 0 eggs. It means it has 0 eggs. It means nothing. The hen says 0 means nothing. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.